Welcome back, guys. Bryce here with Southern California Painter. We got another customer pro tip for you guys. I'm going to make this one short, simple, and sweet. So we got customer pro tips number 2, thoughtfulness. And let me give you an example, right? It's the middle of summer. It's 90 degrees, 98 degrees. You're going to work. You see us out there. We're working our butts off. And in that brief 2-minute period from your air-conditioned car to your air-conditioned office, even you broke a sweat. You know what I mean? Like, you know it's hot. So maybe on your way home from work, it's grocery time, it's the grocery time of the week. Go to the grocery store. So maybe you pick up an extra case of water for your contractor. What's a case of water really cost? $5-6. Shouldn't be anything that makes or breaks the project budget overall. You know what I mean? Maybe you're coming home from lunch early. You got to get the kids fed before soccer practice. You're picking up some pizzas. Maybe you grab an extra pie for your contractor, right? How much does some Little Caesars cost? $6 for a hot and ready. You know what I mean? It's not much. Shouldn't make or break anything. You know what I mean? Maybe you're on your way home. The guy's selling oranges on the side of the street right there. You pick up a bag of oranges. You give the bag of oranges to your contractor. You know what I mean? All of these scenarios are convenient for you. You're already there or out or doing something. You know what I mean? Like, don't go out of your way and inconvenience yourself and feel salty about having to go do it, for the contractor or something. It should be something you enjoy, you feel good about, something that you want to do to show us some thoughtfulness, some appreciation, and things like that. You know what I mean? Like, is it required? No, of course not. I mean, we don't make you sign our contracts and say, hey, you got to feed us for the rest of the week. You know what I mean? While we're here working, like, we're all big boys. We're going to take care of ourselves. But it's just that thought, that gesture. You know what I mean? It's like, hey, man, I see you guys out here. Your shirts are soaking wet with sweat. Like, I just wanted to give you guys this case of water. I know it's hot outside, yada, yada. And that appreciation, it makes us feel good. It makes us want to be there. It makes us want to go above and beyond and go the extra mile for you guys. Not that we aren't already, you know what I mean? Like, we're here, you're paying us. We're here to do a job professionally. We're going to do that at all costs, no matter what. Our reputation's on it. We're always going to do the job right. But it's just that little stuff, you know what I mean? It's just a little bit of thoughtfulness, and that's going to make us really want to go above and beyond. Like an example, maybe, hey, man, the other contractor, he left this like this or did this or something. Could you just touch it up real quick? Or, could you just nail it back in? It's a baseboard. Hey, this baseboard's loose. Could you just put a nail in it real quick or something? Or whatever it is, maybe even a little more involved in that, right? So, like, there's the difference between me saying, cool, man, yeah, I'll take care of it for you. Or, cool, let me make a change order so I can charge you for it. You know what I mean? It's just a little bit of humanity, being compassionate towards somebody, being thankful, thoughtful, you know what I mean? And it goes a long way, right? Your house is an investment, $400,000, $800,000, $3.5 million, whatever the value of your house is, depending on state and location. It's an investment, right? You want a professional job. You want somebody to treat it like it's their house, and you want them to go above and beyond, you know what I mean? So, like, what's it really cost to seriously just hook these guys up real quick? 10 extra bucks, 20 extra bucks. It's not like you don't got to do it every day. If you came home on just one of those days, we're here for a week to 2 weeks to a month or something. Even if you just came one time with something like this, you know what I mean? It's like the level of appreciation for me, it's like, it's huge. It's a big deal. That's just who I am. You know what I mean? I'm a small business guy. And when you show me those type of gestures, I'm just very thankful. I've had a few handful of customers that have bought my guys lunch and things like that, even if I'm not there. And it means a lot to me. It seriously does. It makes me want to do right by them always. Not that we ever aren't, you know what I mean? Not that we don't, but it's one of those things, you know what I mean? It's a level of respect, that they'll always have for me that I appreciate. You know what I mean? So that's it for, pro tip number 2. Just a little bit of thoughtfulness. You know what I mean? It's cliche, do unto others. You know what I mean? Like if you were working and stuff, and even if you were at your own office and it's air conditioning and you're not even feeling the heat, and one of your little worker buddies shows up, he's like, hey man, I bought an extra Subway sandwich for you. You know what I mean? They had a deal going, here's a sandwich. You know what I mean? Like, makes you feel good, man. Like, you guys work for the same company. It's not even that you're benefiting either one of each other from that, but it's just a gesture, you know what I mean? And it makes you feel good, makes you feel human, you know what I mean? Makes you feel appreciated. So that's it. We're gonna have a lot more of these coming out, so we appreciate you guys stopping by, and we'll catch you later.